This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with those instant noodles you got. And I got something cool today. They're sent by a fellow YouTuber named Normal Girl, and she was kind enough to send me this Samyang Buldak corn? Mexican flavor? First I'd ever heard of it. I'd never seen it anywhere, and I talked to the people at the company. It's an export product only. And yeah. So, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And it didn't do all that great going through the mail, but I mean, hey, it's a dry noodle anyways. It's not going to be that big of a deal. But it got a little minced. Let's put that chunk and that chunk. And then all these chunks. And then it's going to cook for 5 minutes. So now we got a little bit of time to hang out together. Excuse me. Man, it is so freaking dark out. I just did another review, some rice vermicelli, that actually came out really good. And it's hard though, because I mean, the light in here is absolute ass. It's the worst. It's like, I wish it was just a little bit sunny. Natural light works so much better when you're dealing with noodles or any food. But it doesn't. Come on, come on. Don't boil over. Come on. Right about there. There you go. It's all about finessing these weird ceramic countertops, I swear. Or not countertop, but stovetop. It's a weird thing. This is the first time I've really dealt with one of these. My mom's got one, but I've never really done much with that stove. It just always seemed like, how do you know it's on the thing? There's just a circle. That's what you do. You put the thing on the circle and it makes the hot. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway. 2 sachets. One that says soup, which I think probably would better be... Yeah, it should say sauce. Because this one says powder. But... yeah. And then there's like... it looks like they're doing the whole mariachi thing. Hochi's doing mariachi, so it looks like I could be wrong. I'm looking at the back of this at the nutrition facts, and I think I'm seeing US, Canadian, and possibly Indonesian? I don't know. I mean, they're in English, but that chart looks a lot like the way I seen them for Indonesia or Malaysia. I don't know. But usually that would be in a different language. So. Anyways, the folks at Samyang said it was only export, so you can't even buy that in excuse me. You can't buy it in South Korea. Unlike currently the Buldak Light, which you can only buy in South Korea. But I really hope that gets outdoors and goes and visits the rest of the world, because it's a tasty sucker. That's for sure. We got 1:50 left. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. This is like the latest I've reviewed noodles in a long time. But I ended up talking to my brother on the phone for, gosh, quite a while. That was fun. He's a good guy. Fun to talk to my brother. So we'll need to drain this off. And we'll need 60 milliliters of water thrown back in. Directly sitting right on that 60 milliliters line. So I'm calling it good with 10 seconds to go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Hi, Miles. You're like, the microwave just went off, didn't it? Nope. We're gonna do a mukbang, buddy. Spicy noodle. So here's our water, which I know drives some of you folks crazy, but that's okay. Here's our sauce. And I'm just gonna do an all-in mukbang. I'm gonna like add stuff to it. I'll try it first. I have a feeling this isn't gonna be like an ultra spicy. Wow. Just reeks of corn. Oh yeah, I was thinking of adding corn to it, but I don't think it really needs it. Based on the odor I'm getting, I don't think it'll need any. Okay. Whoa. That just reeks of corn. It's like a corn explosion. Stirring it all up. Wow, it just smells like I cracked open a can of corn. I wonder if this is even spicy. Oh, wow, this smells really freaking good. It smells like a lot of cumin in there, chili powder. It does not smell like that standard violent, hot, sweet Buldak scent. Well, let's give it a try. Interesting. Oh, it is hot. Woo. 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 Yeah, that's hot. Okay, so there's that. What all am I throwing in? Well, it's hot chicken flavor, so what came first? The chicken or the this. The chicken or the egg? There's the egg. So the egg came first. Right, Miles? There's the chicken. Some coriander. I don't want to throw it in this. I want to add more. I was going to put some corn in, but it's really corny. Well, Well, it's time to go do a mukbang. So, I don't know what just fell off of this thing. That's disturbing. Oh no. My tripod just broke. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Have a good one. Bye.